Lightning first. This is my EDC knife. SOG Flash 2. It has a stone sharpened micro convex edge and paper cutting like this, super sharp. Cardboard sharpening. Like this, okay. And I must ruin the edge at first. I often go to mountains and dig edible plants and hit the rocks in the mud. So I do the same thing. This edge has multiple chipping. Okay. This doesn't cut a paper. And cutter cardboard. Interesting. However, not a paper cutter at all. Anyway, for this case, this stone is useful. 220 grit green carbide. Okay. Why this unstable? Anyway, some problem. There must be. Just a moment. Oh, stone problem. Okay. I must use the concave surface. Okay. No problem. Okay. Still remaining chipping. Kind of major chipping. Hardcore sharpening must be needed. Okay, I made up my mind. I will do it. Still visible in my bare eyes. It can be a long video. House 8 is a pretty hard steel in my experience. Harder than VG10 in my experience. This stone is entirely for this purpose, getting rid of microchipping or major chipping. Almost invisible. Just a bit. Maybe 1 more minute. Okay. My anticipation was wrong. Unexpectedly, it's a long time job. It will be okay. Just one chipping remaining. One moment. Around here. Anyway, checking is important before going for the next stone. Okay, all chipping disappeared. I must stay calm. Do it carefully. Okay. Please be patient. I'm sorry. Okay. From this stone, the way I am doing always. Three minutes is enough on each stone. Now it's 600. Beautiful slowly. Maybe okay. Just a moment. This side, tip portion. Here, raising angle is insufficient. Okay. $2,000 grit. For me, this stone is the finishing stone. And next, I will go for stropping because I like convex edge. Sorry, micro convex edge. Oh, not yet sharp, so my finger was safe. Keep in mind, I must do it slow, easy way. Okay, calm down. I'm saying to myself, I'm sorry. The first step, initial stone, took much time than expected. So my mind is now kind of in a hurry. So I do it slow. Always remember, do it slow and be safe. It's the most important thing in sharpening. Okay, no problem. Do it slow. stone is finished. Some burr is visible. However, the next compound, stropping, will take it away. No problem. This side is black. Oh, compound. Okay. No problem. Black, yes. Compound is needed. Wet. Take it easy. Slow down. I must slow down. Just a moment. Anyway, it is taking time. Stropping is easy. Okay. It's my edge. No problem. Okay. I think I have done what I have to do for the entry. I'm sorry to take your time. Very long. It's my edge. No problem. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye. This was third take. First take, I forgot to cut a paper and cardboard before destroying the edge. Second take, oh, I remember that. The destroying the edge was insufficient. And the third take, it took much time. I'm sorry. And the side effect is this very low height, thin blade. I made it through the 3 hardcore sharpening. If you like this slender shape, I like this slender shape. It's my type. Fast knife. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.